We are going to talk about another geometric problem where we have to compare two parameters, and then with the given information we have to compare whether quantity A is greater or B is greater, or if they are equal. So let us look into the image. In this figure, the radius of the semicircle, that is, the semicircle is this white portion, and then it says that the radius of the semicircle is equal to the height of the triangle. So if we assume that the radius OC is equal to R, that is also equal to the height of the triangle ABC. And why do we need this information? Because we have to find out the area of triangle and the area of the semicircle, and then compare and be able to say that if any of them is bigger or equal, or if there is not enough information to tell that. So we know that the area of triangle is half into base into height. So we already know the height, which is equal to the radius of the semicircle, and we have to look and find information for base. But if we look closely, we can see that the base here is BD, which is actually equal to the diameter of the semicircle. So since we have assumed that the radius is R, the diameter would be 2 times R. So in space of base, we can directly put the value of that is 2R. So the area of the triangle here is R square. So here we have already got the area of the triangle. Now we have to find the area of the semicircle. Since semicircle is half of a circle, therefore its area would be half into the area of a full circle. And we know that the area of a full circle is pi r square. So we actually don't need to calculate the whole thing. We can just observe and see that the area of triangle is only r square, whereas the area of semicircle is pi by 2. And for simplicity, we can just assume that pi is 3 instead of 3.14 and divided by 2, in which case we can get an approximate value of 1.5 r square. So from here it's apparent that this value is higher than the area of the triangle, and therefore we can conclude that quantity B is greater. So based on the information that we have obtained, we can determine the areas and then decide on whether which value is greater or not.